had to because it was a time limit. She's still gone crazy. Oh my god. We just wanted to do a video. Let's go outside, playing out. We're not playing out because we're not allowed, I don't think. But like playing out in our garden, and then that just happens. Like, honestly, why? I'm gonna set you like here, I think, and I'm gonna see. Yeah, so you can see over there. You can see Katie up there. So we're gonna leave you here. You better not fall, or I'm actually gonna die. Yeah, so she's there. Look, Narla better not do that. Narla better not like try and take that out. Literally, if she does, oh my god, like she's gone over the door. Oh my legs. Why didn't we get it down? What? Hi guys. Can you see us? I think you can because I saw you one on it. Hi, you can't get us now, can you?
No, you can't get us.
Loser. Hazy.
Loser.
Anyway, so no, you stay there. You gotta get up here, gang me up. So yeah, we're just putting the camera there because we can't keep bringing it up because we can't keep.
No,
hey, shut up. Shut up, Narla. We can't keep putting it up here because first of all, there's a high chance about it falling down there, and there's a high chance about falling it there. Narla gets it. Or anything like that. I'm gonna get down. I'm gonna get down.
And then I'm gonna be singing. I believe I can fly. I believe I can live my life. I believe I can run. I believe I can live my life.
Get down.
Oh, I'm so scared. I'm a ghost.
My mum's stuck.
So would and say, I believe I can run. I believe that I can live my life.
I believe I can run. I believe I can live my life. Oh, Katie's stuck. Katie's stuck. Just get out.
Ow!
So cheese. Oh,
Come out.
well, we only have 5 more minutes to be on it. Hello.
Oh my god. Ah!
I'll literally go like, bull. I'll go like this.
She's gonna kill me.
Stop it, Narla.
Okay.
No, you fat cow. Oh, please save me.
No, just go outside, you've been trapped.
Look.
No, let's go outside. Let her outside.
No, because then I'm going to be trapped.
No, she wants to come.
I've locked myself. No, she's going to kill me. Go out. Okay, go. Hello. Hi. It's just like, I believe I can live my life.
I'm a statue.
They're a statue. No. If she comes in and she comes to bite us if we're a statue.
I'm a statue.
You're not a statue because you keep moving. You try and hide over here.
I'm hidden.
No, come here. Okay, so guys, I think she can see us though. We're here. We're under the sofa. We're under the sofa. Wait, come over here. Oh, you go. No, don't you dare. Okay, guys. We're going to try and hide. Come on. Okay, come here now. Go like really slow. I'm going to try and hide. Really slow. Yeah, so... Oh, God, she's going to bite me. Go we're going to try and hide. She's following. Ow! Owie! Ow! You fat cow. So, okay. I'm like a baby. Yeah, I know. Stop it. No. Katie, no, please. I slapped her so she can. I'm gonna distract her. Okay? I'm like. Oh my god. My tummy! My tummy. Get your. Oh my god. Look what he's done. Look yourself.
Come on.